Hello everyone, my name is Neil and welcome to our exam exercise walkthrough from esl-lounge.com. Today we're working through C1 Advanced Word Formation, exercise number CAE034. Let's start with number 1. Many people often make a blank between London and New York. The base word is compare. The correct form here is comparison. Comparison is a noun used to discuss similarities and differences between two or more items. It involves evaluating attributes to highlight things in common and differences. For example, the comparison between the two cities highlights their unique characteristics. Moving on to number 2. This book blank as a series of lectures about shipwrecks, which were given 2 decades ago. The base word is origin. The correct form here is originated. Originated is the past tense of the verb originate, meaning to begin or start. It describes the initial point or source from which something develops. For example, the tradition originated in ancient times. Next up, question 3. There are power stations across Europe that use the blank rise and fall of the ocean tides. The base word is day. The correct form here is daily. Daily is an adjective used to describe something that happens every day. It signifies regularity and routine occurrence. For example, the daily tide changes are predictable and useful for energy generation. Here's question 4. If you weren't so blank of Ben, he'd be happier to spend time with you. The base word is critic. The correct form here is critical. Critical is an adjective that means expressing adverse or disapproving comments or judgments. It often involves finding faults and being very detailed in evaluating someone or something. For example, her critical remarks made him feel insecure. On to question 5. Don't you find it blank how Jeremy always comes to work looking so untidy? The base word is intrigue. The correct form here is intriguing. Intriguing is an adjective used to describe something that arouses curiosity or interest. It suggests that something is fascinating or mysterious. For example, the intriguing story kept everyone on the edge of their seats. Question 6. Doctors say a glass of warm milk before bedtime can result in a more blank night's sleep. The base word is rest. The correct form here is restful. Restful is an adjective that describes something that promotes rest or relaxation. It implies creating a calm and soothing environment conducive to sleep. For example, the restful environment helped him sleep better. Question 7. Tim Berners-Lee has received many awards as the blank of the World Wide Web. The base word is invent. The correct form here is inventor. Inventor is a noun that refers to a person who creates something for the first time. This person usually brings about something innovative or novel. For example, Thomas Edison was a famous inventor. And now the last one, question 8. On the final day, we visited the blank Victoria Falls and then flew home. The base word is majesty. The correct form here is majestic. Majestic is an adjective used to describe something that is grand and impressive in appearance. It often conveys a sense of grandeur and splendor. For example, the majestic mountains took our breath away. That's all for today from esl-lounge.com. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.